Dreams do come true when you take the first step towards them. Hey there, welcome back to our channel, Motivation of Life. The place where we explore inspiring stories and share valuable insights to help you live your best life. Today, we have something truly exciting to discuss that can change your life forever. Have you ever dreamed of working and living in Canada? Well, get ready, because we're about to dive into the incredible Atlantic immigration program. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey. So, without further ado, let's get started. But before we dive into the details, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll become part of our vibrant community, receiving regular updates on motivational content, personal growth tips, and exciting opportunities like the one we're about to explore today. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Motivation of Life family. We can't wait to have you on board. Introduction to the Atlantic Immigration Program. The breathtaking landscapes of Canada's Atlantic provinces, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador, become your daily reality. The Atlantic Immigration Program, AIP, is your pathway to permanent residence in these stunning regions. Whether you're a skilled foreign worker or an international graduate from a Canadian institution. But what exactly is the Atlantic Immigration Program, and how can you take part? Let's find out, but hold on, there's more to this program than meets the eye. We'll unveil the step-by-step process, discuss who can apply, explore the educational and language requirements, and reveal the incredible benefits awaiting you in Atlantic Canada. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail. So, keep watching as we unveil the secrets of the Atlantic Immigration Program. Step-by-step guide to participate in the program. Are you ready to take the first step towards your dream of living and working in Atlantic Canada? Let's walk through the step-by-step process of the Atlantic Immigration Program together. It all begins with finding a designated employer who believes in your potential and offers you a job opportunity. Once you receive a job offer, you'll connect with settlement services to develop a settlement plan, a crucial part of the application process. This plan will showcase your commitment to integrating into the local community and making a positive impact. After finalizing your settlement plan, your designated employer will submit an application for endorsement to the department. Upon approval, you'll receive a provincial endorsement certificate, which paves the way for your permanent residence application. But that's not all. You might even receive a work permit support letter if a work permit is required during the process. Exciting, isn't it? Eligibility and requirements. Now, let's delve into the eligibility criteria and requirements for the Atlantic Immigration Program. To be eligible, you must have qualifying work experience or be an international graduate from a recognized post-secondary institution in Atlantic Canada. Additionally, you need to meet the educational and language requirements, showcasing your proficiency in either Canadian Language Benchmarks, CLB, or Niveau de Compétences Linguistiques Canadiennes, NCLC. It's important to demonstrate that you have enough funds to support yourself and your family upon arrival in Canada. But here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that certain healthcare sector jobs have unique requirements? Stick around, as we reveal these fascinating details later in the video. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on these valuable insights. Get a job offer and its requirements. Now, let's talk about securing a job offer. To participate in the Atlantic Immigration Program, you need to seek employment opportunities with designated employers in Atlantic Canada. It's crucial that the job offer meets specific requirements, such as being full-time and non-seasonal. The duration of the job offer will depend on the National Occupational Classification (NOC) category, and it must align with your qualifying work experience. Keep in mind that the job offer should be at the same skill level as, or higher than, your previous work experience. Unless you're an international graduate from a recognized post-secondary institution in Atlantic Canada. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the employment requirements listed in the National Occupational Classification and sign the form titled, Offer of Employment to a Foreign National. Stay tuned, as we reveal more about the unique job opportunities in Atlantic Canada and how they can transform your career and life. And that concludes our exploration of the Atlantic Immigration Program, a remarkable opportunity to start a new chapter of your life in the breathtaking Atlantic provinces of Canada. From stunning natural landscapes to vibrant communities, this program offers a pathway to permanent residence and a future full of promise. Remember, your journey doesn't end here. There's so much more to discover, including the application process, processing times, and the support you'll receive along the way. If you found this information valuable and are excited to learn more about the Atlantic Immigration Program, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new motivational content and share further insights about this program. And of course, we would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or experiences related to immigration or living in Canada. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember, dreams do come true when you take the first step towards them. So, keep believing in yourself, keep pursuing your goals, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated and have an incredible day.